Let's talk about selecting your very first homebrew kit. Now in this case, I'm talking about a starter kit. For subsequent batches, you'll be buying recipe kits. But starter kits are different in that they not only include a recipe kit, but they also come with some of the unique gear you'll need to brew your first batch of beer. This is the gear that you'll use time and time again on future batches, and will form the beginning of your homebrew gear collection. Now most starter kits will come with the following: a fermenting bucket, which will either look like a standard 5-gallon bucket or a large plastic jar with a screw-on lid, an airlock, a bottling bucket, sanitizer, transfer tubing, a bottle capper with bottle caps, a bottle wand, and a hydrometer. Some kits might also include things like a large stirring paddle, a thermometer, a bottle brush, and a funnel. If all of this gear is a lot to take in, don't worry. We'll go into each of these pieces of gear in detail throughout the series. Your starter kit will also come with a recipe kit, which will contain all the malt, hops, and yeast that you'll need to brew your first batch of beer. Depending on where you purchase your kit, the recipe kit will either be included in the larger kit or bundled separately by the retailer and included in the overall price. A quick tip: opt for the separate recipe kit if the option is available, as it will ensure you get a fresher kit. Sometimes starter kits can sit on the shelves for years with the recipe kit inside, and it's easy for the retailer to unknowingly sell you an expired kit. Now when selecting your starter kit, you should be spending somewhere between $75 to $150. Some higher end kits include things like brew kettles, glass carboys, auto siphons, wort chillers, and even kegs. And this is all great gear for the seasoned brewer, and in the more advanced portion of this series, we'll dive into all of it. But if you're just starting out, selecting a higher end kit is not only a costlier buy-in, but leaves you with a lot of gear to try and get rid of should you decide that homebrewing is not for you.